Hello children, I welcome you to the online class of EVS. Okay, and in this video, let us begin lesson number 1, the animal kingdom. And I request everyone to open the text copy. Okay, yes. Now open page number 1. Okay, before starting this lesson, let us understand that after studying this lesson, what we will be going to imbibe. I mean, what we are going to study. Okay. So, we are going to study about the identification of the similarities and differences between human beings and animals on the basis of external characteristics. And next, understand the relationship, that is mutual dependence between human beings and animals. I hope you are very clear with this. And so let me now begin the lesson. In your previous class, you have learned about different animals, isn't it? You know that birds and insects are also animals. Yes. Observe the animals that you see around you. Okay? You have to observe those animals which you see around you. Identify the similarities that you find between animals and yourselves. So here already I have mentioned three similarities among the animals and yourself. It means animals and we, isn't it? So one by one I am going to read and I'll explain you the all points. Okay, first one. Animals and we move from one place to another. Isn't it a similar feature of a human being and animals? Yes. Similar feature is nothing but the holikegಗಳು. Okay. The same features we can say. Animals and we move from one place to another. It may be in search of food, it may be in search of shelter, and it may be sometime in search to breed. Okay, it means to give birth to their young ones. Next, animals and we need food to live. Yes, we are human beings. Animals we are human beings. We have life, and we have already studied that all living creatures need food to live. So we can say that animals and we both need food to live. Next, animals and we give birth to young ones. It means animals and we all give birth to young ones, isn't it? Hope the similarities between animals and yourself has been clear to you. Look at the pictures above. Observe the differences between you and a cow. Okay? As you can see in this picture, what you have to do? You have to observe the differences between you and cow. Okay? So, these differences already I have written on the board. Let me explain. Differences between cow and I. Okay? So, what are the differences here? I have two legs. Okay? We all know that we human beings have two legs. Cow have four legs. Okay? Cow have four legs. And the legs of cow are known as limbs. Okay? They are known as the limbs. I don't have horns. I don't have horns. Cow have horns. Horn. I hope everyone know what is horn. Horn is nothing but the cord. Okay. I don't have tail. Cow have tail. Yes. We human beings don't have tail. Tail is nothing but the bala in Kannada. Okay. Cow have tail. In the same way, I am an omnivore. So we can say that I am an omnivore, cow is an herbivore. It means we human beings depend both on plant products as well as the animal products. So we are known as the omnivores. But cow is herbivore because it completely depends on the plant products. Next, I wear clothes. Yes, I am wearing an We all wear clothes. Cow don't wear clothes. So these are the few differences between cow and I and cow. I hope the concept of differences between cow and I has been clear. So at last I can say that in this video we have discussed about these points. They are similarities between animals and ourselves and differences between cow and I. And the next part of this lesson we shall continue in our next video. Thank you children.